What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video I'll be unboxing my all new MI Band 3. Now I have earlier unboxed a MI Band 3 on my channel, but that was given away by me to a friend of mine. So this is my second MI Band 3 and I ordered this on 9th of September. As you can see, today is 28th of September and I just received this in the mail. So I ordered this from AliExpress, but this MI Band 3 is also officially available in India via Amazon just for 2000 bucks. So if you order from Amazon, you have to pay 2000 rupees and you can receive it within 2 to 3 days. But if you order from AliExpress, you can get this MI Band 3 for around 1700 rupees. You'll get 300 rupees of savings, but then again you have to wait 20 to 25 days unless and until you receive your product, that is the MI Band 3. That's all. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the Mi Band 3. So this is the Mi Band 3 in its packaging. We have the bubble wrap, which I'm gonna keep aside, and yeah, so this is the packaging. And just to give you a quick specs, it comes with a OLED display and the battery is much bigger than the Mi Band 2. Now we have a 110, that is 110 mAh of battery that lasts around 20 days. And also talking about the display is also a bit bigger, and also we have a touch display this time. So let's go ahead and open the box. So this is the lid that comes off, and in order to remove the entire device outside of the box, there's a small tab which you need to pull. As you can see, you just need to hold and pull the tab so that the entire casing can come out. So we'll keep the device aside for the time being. And what else we have in the box is the strap itself, and the other thing we have is the charger. So make sure you keep the charger safely, otherwise if you lose the charger then you have to again order a new one, because it's not a micro USB or something like that. And the other thing we have in the box is the user manual or user guide, which we don't need to have a look at it because we all are smart enough to know how to use the MI Band 3. So that's aside, and the other thing I have to show you all, that I have a couple of extra or additional straps with me in different colors. So I have green, I have blue, I have yellow, and I have white. So white is something that I really like, and I'm going to use this personally instead of black, because the black and white combination will look really good. So I'll go ahead and quickly apply the white strap on the black MI Band 3. And of course the MI Band is only available in the black color, but the straps are available in multiple colors, so you can just wait unless and until it comes. Different straps are available in Indian stores via Amazon or even in the local stores. So I also have a screen protector. I also again ordered this from AliExpress. So for 50 rupees I was able to get 3 screen protectors, and I would really recommend you to purchase the screen protector before purchasing the MI Band, because this thing gets scratched up pretty easily. So you can see this is the final product with the screen protector and a custom white band on. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Please do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, do subscribe, and thanks for watching. This is Aftab signing off. Have a great day. Peace out.